I would like to welcome you to our newest two-part webinar series about on-site quality control. My name is Marcel Fuschlberger and I'm a research engineer here at the Austrian Center for Digital Production. My work areas include the development of mechatronic systems, additive manufacturing technologies and automatization solutions using collaborative robotics. With introductions done, let us quickly go over today's agenda. I'm going to explain what off- and on-site quality control is and point out the benefits and challenges of either option. Afterwards, we're going to explore the need for on-site quality control and the reasons why even that might still offer some room for improvement. To start off, let us consider the possible locations for quality control as shown in the illustration by Gao et al. On the right. Gao uses the surface metrology term, which I'm going to use synonymously with quality control over the course of this webinar. The usual way of handling the quality control is to have a designated location that is locally separate from the production environment and offers a controlled environment for performing metrology inspections. This site is either operated by the manufacturer itself or is instead a third party that offers quality control as a service. The reason for that can be the cost of metrology equipment or the difficulty in acquiring the necessary know-how to operate and maintain them. Not having metrology on-site can have a negative impact on the whole production timeline, affecting the turnaround times in various different ways. Transporting products to a metrology site can result in unexpected delays and complication, as well as come with additional costs while also not being environmentally worthwhile. If batches are produced, it is possible for a series of manufactured batches to be compromised before the quality defects of a previous batch are found and reported back, resulting in unforeseen losses. Even having a company-owned metrology site in the vicinity still negatively affects the time it takes to respond to quality errors and affects the real-time feedback of process and production data in general, while reducing its value at the same time. With on-site metrology, on the other hand, all devices for quality control are located inside the production facility. This can either happen separately and away from the production line while still in the same location, or be done in between steps of the production line itself. Going one step further, it is also possible to incorporate metrology devices into the production machinery for even greater efficiency. Manufacturers might consider this option to remove their dependence on a third party and to gain more options to positively influence and directly control their product's quality, and here's why. Quality faults are reported in real time near the source where immediate action can be taken to compensate and correct. When data is recent and accurate, it is easier to prevent issues in the future and to gain a deeper understanding of how different production parameters affect quality, resulting in a permanent reduction of waste and faulty products. The manufacturer can benefit from reducing its environmental impact as well as expect a more consistent production schedule, which translates to the customer in the form of an improved overall experience. But even though on-site metrology offers immediate benefits, there are reasons that suggest that we might need to think a step further ahead. One of these reasons is the rapid increase of lot size 1 production and the demand for customized products. And this issue is nothing new. When Giese et al. Interviewed manufacturing companies about highly customized products back in 2016, one individual said that it's a constant struggle to satisfy our customers to ensure quality and also quantity. Seeing as this was nearly 8 years ago, one can argue that it is necessary to think one step ahead. The costs and the necessary infrastructure, as well as the know-how required for doing one's own quality control on-site or in process, are enough to deter small and medium enterprises from ever even considering a higher level of customization. The only way out of this would be to offer an alternative that combines on-site quality control with the automatization of measurements and also enables non-specialized personnel to operate said machinery. This prospect has been picked up by our research engineers that have looked into possible solutions, which we will look into in the second part of this webinar series. This concludes this short introduction about on-site quality control, and I am looking forward to seeing you again in the second part. Be sure to check out our social media as seen on the right. We are present at many exciting events throughout the year. While you're at it, give our other webinars a watch to get educated about our other research topics.